Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing the no sound challenge, so I won't have any sound at all. I will not hear anything, and here's proof that I turned my volume down. It says medium and media, and it's all the way down. So I don't know how hard this is gonna be, but it's gonna be pretty hard. I'm gonna do it. Actually, I'm gonna vote on a dark map because I want it to be hard. So yeah. Ah, sorry. I keep falling. Ah! Somebody already got into this stuff. Ah. But anyway. Oh crap, I did not mean to fall. Sorry about that. Sorry. Anyway, let's get started. But this challenge won't be that hard because I can just look around for the beast's glow. I'm just gonna close the door after myself. Cause this is really scary. This is really scary. Well, for me, there's these. Oh, the beast right there. Oh my god. Oh, that really scared me. I'm just gonna hide in here. Hopefully, please don't come in here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't know the beast. Okay, I'm out. Wow. Just hurry up and get out of here. Oh my god. I cannot hear anything, guys. Not even one bit of sound. I'm just gonna go. See, there's a computer here. Guys, you don't know how intense this is. Okay. Oh, somebody's already hacking it. Okay, Whoa, guys. Oh my gosh. Whew. Hopefully the beast don't come over here. Because the beast is in that house and the house is really close. Unless the beast left. And he's just coming over here. Okay. Okay, this house. This house should have a computer in it. I almost fell. Oof. Okay. Oh, there's a computer. Close the door, buddy. Close the door. Okay, thank you so much. Close it very close. And then if the beast comes by, I'm jumping down that hole. Or if the beast comes by and we're still hacking, I'm gonna just go hide in the closet. But if we're done hacking, then I'm out. I'm jumping down the hole. Okay, we gotta hurry up and hack this computer. What, you just missed it, buddy? But let me just tell you something. You cannot be messing up. Ain't nobody got time for messing up. Whew, I just want to leave this place right now. Alright, let's go, buddy. I'm just gonna jump out the window. Oof, we're done with that place. Oh yeah, there's one computer left. Hooray. Is there one in here? Ah! There's no one in here. Okay. Oh. Woo! Breaking a sweat. No, I'm not sweating, but that's just a figure of speech. I haven't seen the beast. Come on, boy. Boy. No. I need him. Actually, no, I don't need you, boy. Go on, live your life. I'll do the hacking myself. Wait, I'll find the last computer. Okay, there's no computer in here. The beast is over there, guys. I just see his red glow. I think there's a computer in this room. Is he gonna move or not? Is he gonna move or not? Oh my god. Oh, there's a computer here. He's totally camping. This is so not fair. Don't camp. Come, Cherry. Cherry! Fine. You don't want to listen, you don't want to listen. Cause you guys know how there's like an extra computer? Yeah, I'm gonna go find this extra computer. Cause there's always a extra one. A computer. Wait, the computer is in the maze. All we need to do is hack this computer and then we out, boy. We out. Oh crap. It smells like eggs. Are they cooking eggs down there? It smells like straight up eggs. Okay, need to find exit. Okay, I escaped. Okay. There is always extra computer. I type faster. That faster on computer is just it's a little hard because I'm not trying to cover the microphone with my fingers. Don't you guys hate when the beast leave? And like, especially when you just start the round. Actually, I'd rather the beast leave when you just start the round than in later in the round because it just comes in. It just feels like you've been bite and you know. Just feels like you got bit in the butt, like seriously. The Facility by Mr. Wendy is my favorite map. My favorite. Out of all these, yes, I'm a survivor. I hate being the beast. Especially in like in the abandoned prison. It's just hard. But I spawned right by a computer. Great. That's good indeed. It's Gucci. Oh my god, I just missed that. I didn't mean to miss it. Now I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die. I can't hear a thing. Oh no, somebody's captured. I'm gonna go save them because I'm a great citizen. And if this was real life, I would definitely go save them. Definitely. Is there a computer up here? Yes, there's a computer. Oh my god, he's being captured again. He a scaredy cat, bro. No! No! Oh crap. Oh yes! Yes, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go back up. Go. Go. I can't afford to get captured. I mean, not that I can't afford to get captured, but I just, no. So guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you guys so much. But like, comment, and the most important part, subscribe. Bye guys, love you.